Question 23. In order to form new reaction product, reacting particles must have enough kinetic energy and collide with one another at the same orientation. Which of the reaction collisions results in the formation of new reaction products? So we have three different collisions, three different choices here. And when you look at the question, the main thing we want to look at is, it says which results in the formation of new reaction products. So we have to make sure that it's new from the beginning. It can't be the same thing that we saw in the beginning. So if we take a look here, ladies and gentlemen, we see in this one reaction here on the left side of the arrow, so here's our arrow, we notice that the best way to do this is just kind of like look at the colors, the orientation of all of them. So this one formation of gray, 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 white, and the other one is gray, black. And then we see if the result is the same or if it's different. If it's different, then that's what we want. If they're the same, then that's not what we want. So we notice in collision 1, it's the exact same thing. So it can't be this one. So let's go to collision 2. And then we see gray, gray, white, gray. Then we have this black, gray one. And we look over here on the other side and the other side of the equal sign. And what do we get? We still get gray, white, gray, gray. And we still have this black, gray one. So by process of elimination, it's not collision 1 or 2. So it could be 3 or it's absolutely none of them. All right, so we're taking a look at this. So I'm going to scroll down. I'm going to go to our next one here. Go to our next one. Let's go to collision 3. And collision 3 looks very, very interesting. It's very, very, very different at this point, though. All right. So when we take a look, though, we start off with this usual formation in the beginning. Gray, white, gray, gray. And then we have this black, gray one. And then we look. I know we has 2. But sometimes when you have reactions, it still makes the same things, but a few times you'll see a new reaction. And we do not have this gray, gray, white formation. And we never had this gray, black, gray formation. Well, the reason why is this missing part here, gray, now is moved here to form a new formation of product. So this is what we're looking at. So already here, this would be our answer. Letter C, collision 3.